In today's video, we are reviewing ZREVSB A3 R1390 DTF printer bundle. This bundle is a game changer for anyone who wants pro-level custom shirts fast. Before we start, the link to this DTF printer bundle is in the description below at the best price in the market. Now let's keep it simple. This is a direct-to-film printer, which means you print your design on DTF film, add powder, cure it, and then heat press it onto your garment, and you get bright, detailed, long-lasting results that look like real store-quality prints. The best part is that it's made for creators, small businesses, and beginners who want to start selling custom t-shirts without spending a fortune on huge industrial machines. This ZREVSB bundle comes in an A3 size, so you can print bigger designs compared to smaller printers, and that means more freedom for logos, full chest prints, and creative artwork. It also works with many materials like cotton, polyester, fabric blends, leather, and more, so you're not stuck printing on only one type of shirt. Another big feature is the white ink circulation system, and this is super important because white ink can settle over time. But this system helps keep the ink flowing smoothly to reduce clogs and keep your prints looking clean and consistent. On top of that, the auto-cleaning function makes life easier because it helps maintain the print head and prevents nozzle blockages, so you spend less time fixing problems and more time printing and earning. The included roll feeder is also a huge win because it helps feed film continuously, which is perfect if you want to do batch printing for orders, busy weekends, or fast production days. Speed-wise, it can print up to 30 pages per minute in color, which helps you finish jobs quicker, especially when you're trying to meet deadlines. It connects through USB, so setup is simple and you can run it from your workspace without complicated networking. Overall, if you want a reliable A3 DTF printer bundle that supports different fabrics, saves time with auto-cleaning, and gives strong print quality with consistent white ink performance, this ZREVSB option is a smart pick. Check the link in the description below to grab it at the best price and start creating your own custom apparel today.